We try to tell a story. We're lucky enough to embrace that story on a stage where a big audience can see it. Ko te Awa Manning ahau, I te whake au, I ka mokupuni o Hawai'i, ka au hema o kona, engari ki kirikiri roa, ahau e noho I nā nei.
There's a saying, Hula is life. If there's something in the world, if there's life, death, if there's growing things, you know, there's a hula about it.
For me, hula is an expression. I think there's this innate feeling that's within us, and that's what gets told through hula. No ka hula, he ano ka ha'i mo'olelo mai ke po'o a ka hi'u ha'i mo'olelo oi me ko kino holo o ko'a.
Hula was one of the most powerful and effective ways of capturing ike, capturing knowledge, capturing the stories of our kupuna, and then creating the most beautiful educational system possibly in the world.
He mea nui ia'u, a kia kahana nā kupuna, a kākou poe Hawai'i, nā lākou I haawea I kia ike, ia kākou paka ia pau. At a young age, we were always dancing and just being a part of the environment of hula. But I guess I really started dancing seriously when I moved to Oahu for high school. That's when I realized that I have a great passion for hula, and that's where it's kind of brought me today.
The way that he connects into performing arts and his ohana, I think part of that comes from strength in language, strength in culture too. He grew up in a Hawaiian language, punana leo, kohonga reo educational system, and the students that know their language growing up are the best performing artists you're gonna see on stage.
Through our language, through our culture, it's knowledge that's been passed down from our kupuna, from generations before. He hula, he oli, he mele. That's what we portray to the audience and to our people. It's a dance, it's a song, and it talks about who we are as po'e Hawai'i.